Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're bringing you an update on one of Ogun State's busiest road corridors, the Idiroko-Ota-Sango Express, a route that connects Nigeria to the Republic of Benin and serves as a lifeline for both commerce and commuters. Hi guys, today we are in Ogun State and look closely. On this place, we can see the major road is actually at a very bad condition. And right here, we have a bridge under construction. As we go around this project, we'll be exploring the work progress made so far here in Ogun State, Sango Ota. I'll be giving you more details on this project as we make progress. In case commuters are not getting it easy, right here in Ogun State. Right here at the heart of Ota, the long-awaited Oju Ore Flyover is finally taking shape. After years of congestion and chaos at this crucial intersection, work is in full gear to deliver a modern overpass that will ease traffic flow and improve safety for both motorists and pedestrians.
Every day we experience traffic congestion. To move when you are going home is a problem. To come back is a problem. So for now, as the government is trying to do this, the government is raising the hope of the common man, and we pray that the government should continue doing all these areas where there's problems all over the country. They should continue to look into it and do it so that the masses will be happy with the government. So there is nothing bad about construction of the road. Even though at the present they are doing it, we experience some difficulties, but we know at the end of the day we will laugh.
There is one thing about particular road is it's not like it's bad for motorists, but it's also bad for pedestrians. As you can see, this is what people have to go through to commute around this road. So with this project under construction, I want to believe this will be a huge transformation here in Ogun State. Right? So I'm giving you a real-time idea of what people go through. As you can see, the road is bad for everybody passing through this, both commuters, pedestrians. It's really one needs to be very careful. Is that bad? So we're exploring the construction going on here. So this is just for pedestrians to cross the road.
Normally we express the difficulties of the road because the movement is not going smoothly as we know. So because we all know that this is road construction, that is how it's supposed to be. Is for the benefit of all of us. Because if the road is going smoothly now, if the business, everybody, each one of us business will going smoothly.
The governments are indeed committed to ensure this major highway see the light of the day. I'm currently at the Kennaland, and at the front of the Kennaland here, we have a bridge under construction, which we will take a closer look to see how much progress they're making on this particular project. Connecting right here, you're going down to Idiroko, the semi border, and the rest. You know, this is actually a major highway, very important for Nigerian economy. This may not cover what people have gone through on this road over the years, but this will give you an experience to what commuters go through on this road on a daily basis, and with this construction, what is about to change. This expressway is not just a local road, it is a strategic international trade route forming part of the Lagos to Abidjan corridor. That is why the federal government, in partnership with Ogun State, has prioritized its reconstruction. Oh, guys, look at this. A mighty ocean. Please be careful. The Oju Ore Flyover Bridge is taking shape. Although the time I was recording this video, the weather was not favorable at all, so I wasn't able to go through the whole road to show you what is going on the road, which I will show you in future videos. But this is what I got. Formation of underdeck, piling work, formation of pillars is ongoing right here in Oju Ore Flyover Bridge. This will help decongest traffic when fully completed.
Before this road, everybody knows you are coming, you want to pass here. He said that you cannot say this is the time I'm going, I will reach where I'm going because of the traffic everywhere congested.
And what I can tell government is that I commend them because I like what they are doing, because it's for the benefit of the citizens. I commend them. They are trying, they do better. We like what they are doing. If this kind of project have been doing for the past years back, we can be, I think things will have better than this.
Government really try, because nothing that they want to do this time around that will not take time. All of us know, and they are not a magician. A lot of people are expecting that this is supposed to be done just only 2 months, 3 months, which is not supposed to be like that. You understand? But I believe in small time, everything will be done. And we just beg government for more effort, because not only this road, a lot of roads are bad. You understand? A lot of this road are bad. So they should help us. Nigeria not need anything for government. Only road. Because if you are talking about electricity, everybody look for light for himself. If you are talking about education, everybody look for education for his son and daughter. If you are talking about health, everybody look about good health for himself. But if you are talking about road, it's only road. It's major thing that combine everybody together. We beg government to assist us for more effort for road. For me, I don't believe that Nigeria need anything for them again.
There's only one way for us to understand what commuters go through on this road on a daily basis. That is for us to take a ride on this road to understand, to see what this road look like as of 2025. So I'm taking a ride heading towards Winners Chapel, one of the popular landmark on this corridor.
one thing to tell them pertaining road is that it's good when we have good roads, we have good government, we have free movement, and everything that we are going to do, both commercial. You know, this Ogun State is a commercial area. So if we have good road, hefty motor are passing here, lorries. But if we don't have better road or good road, everything will not move okay. So it's good for them to know that good road is another important thing, and it's a very, very essential thing for them to do for us.
Arriving Kennaland, Winners Chapel in Ota, there's a bridge under construction on this same road. This is the progress they've made on the bridge. Like I said, in future videos, we'll come back on this road to give you a depth understanding on what is going on this expressway. For the time being, this is the progress of work on this flyover bridge at Winners Chapel, Kennaland, Ota. This is the amount of progress made on the bridge, and this is heading towards Idiroko. Like I mentioned earlier in the video, this road connects Nigeria to the Republic of Benin. So it has a border, a Nigerian border along this road, making this road a very important road in the Nigerian economy. And hopefully this road will be fully reconstructed, and I'll keep you posted as I make progress on this particular project. One reason why you should please subscribe if you've not subscribed, so you'll be part of this awesome family. You get notified anytime I publish a video on this road and more road going on in Nigeria. I'm your boy OZ. From the area view, you can see that from this place we also have another big city. This is how this road is connecting Ogun State, Nigeria to Benin Republic. If you like this video, I'm sure you like the one showing on your screen.